Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to show you in this video how to log on to Freckle. In your internet browser in the address bar, you're going to type freckle.com and hit enter, and it should bring you to this page. Then you will click the blue sign in. I'm actually not clicking on it, I'm hovering over it, and then you will go down to student and click student, and it will prompt you for a class code, and our class code is ALSTA 5. And then once that's all typed in, hit the green arrow and then enter your first name. I'm going to use Edie as my example. Edie Burns. And then you get to, I'm not going to do this for her because this is totally up to you. You select a character to start, you'll be able to customize later, and then you just go through the prompts, and once you're all done, it should take you to start your math practice. So I'm going to leave her page, but her progress will be saved.